This is the lightning bolt. Hello, today I'm going to show you how to tie-dye the lightning bolt. First thing you do is you take your pre-soaked soda ash shirt, lay it on the table. You want to fold it in half vertically. Straighten it out. And you want to take from about the middle of the shirt and fold it up to about the bottom of the sleeve, like that. And then about halfway down between that fold and the bottom of the shirt, go halfway again and fold it to the bottom of the previous fold. Then you just take your washable marker, draw a diagonal line, and do your accordion folds along the line. It's a little difficult to fold because there's a lot of fabric here. It means it's also going to use a lot of dye to get through all the layers. Stand it up. There's your folded lightning bolt. Now you're ready to dye the lightning bolt. So this is going to be the inside of the lightning bolt. This is going to be the edge of the lightning bolt. And this here, I don't know if you can see, this is where my line is. That's going to be the outline of the lightning bolt. And then all this is going to be the background. So I'm going to do the inside. I'm going to do it red. In between the cracks there's a lot. I'm going to do orange. There's a lot of fabric here now, so I gotta use a good amount of dye. That's going to be the inside lightning bolt red. I'm going to do an outer edge of orange. I'm going to do the outline in yellow. A lot of fabric here, so we really gotta use a good amount of dye, get in between all the creases. Because I personally don't like the white in my shirts, so I'm going to do the rest purple. So the background is going to be a purple. Don't worry about those spots. They'll probably be noticeable, but it won't be that big of a deal. Alright, I'm going to flip it over and apply the same colors in the same places. First we have red. Then we have orange. Yellow. The rest was purple. Alright. It over. I gotta let it sit for 6 to 8 hours, and then it'll be good. Okay, it's been sitting for about 6 hours, so I'm going to go ahead and open it up now. There we have the lightning